guys, so welcome back to my channel. I thought today would be the perfect day to film how I do my face, and since summer is coming up and the warm weather is coming out, I thought I would show you how I get my kind of glowy and dewy natural kind of looking face, but it's still sweat proof and stays all day. So if you want to know how I get this look, then stay tuned. So first I'm starting off with the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer, which I absolutely love. It's so good and it smooths out your skin. So I apply that basically all over. Next, I'm taking my Beauty Blender because it gives you the most kind of natural finish, and going in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation and just applying an even base all over. And also just to know, I was pretty fake tanned while filming this video, so if you notice that my foundation looks really pale, that's why. So now I'm just taking my favorite drugstore concealer, which is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle in the shade Light, and applying that underneath my eyes, the center of my face to highlight it. So basically down the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, on my cupid's bow and my chin, and I'm just blending that out with one of my brushes. And I love highlighting the face because obviously if you highlight something, it brings more attention and light to it. So now I'm taking one of my favorite products, which is the Anastasia Liquid Glow, and I believe this one is in the shade Perla, and I'm just applying it basically to the same places where I applied my concealer. And just blending that out, and now I'm setting this with my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, which I absolutely love. It is so good. It keeps you matte, but it doesn't make your face look like you have so much powder and cake going on, you know? So now I'm just going in with the Amrezy highlighter, and guys, oh my god, this brings so much life and glow back into your face. Like, you look absolutely amazing. Like, look at this highlighter. It is freaking bomb. If you haven't tried it yet, you need to go get it. So now I'm just going in with my Estee Lauder bronzer, and I'm just applying that kind of just to bronze up like the perimeter of my face. So to my cheekbones and the temples, down the sides of my nose, and then also my jawline, just to contour that a little bit. And I find this step also really helps bring back some color back to my face since I was looking super pale. And I like to use the Benefit Hoola bronzer to contour my face because it kind of creates a really nice shadow on your cheekbone. So now I'm just blending everything out so there's no harsh lines and we don't look crazy. And now I'm just going in with my favorite Estee Lauder blush, and I'm just applying that because it has a bit of a glow to it. So I love adding glowy products to my cheeks because it just makes you look so fresh, dewy, and radiant. And again, I'm taking that Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, and I'm just applying that underneath where I applied blush and contour just to make sure the lines are nice and sharp. Now I'm just finishing everything off by lining my lips using the NYX lip liner in Natural. And of course, I'm gonna go in with my favorite lip topper, which is the Tarte's Lip Paint in Exposed. And that is my all-time favorite nude, and it lasts forever. You need this in your life. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little, oh no, I'm not done. Okay, so the last final thing I love to do is go in with my Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and this one is in the shade Illuminati, and again I'm just applying it to all the areas I highlighted before. And I do like to go extra AF with my highlighter because it is summer and I want to look like a glowing goddess, and this highlighter definitely does that. Okay, so that's the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys!